Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix access denied in ElevenLabs. So if you see access denied in ElevenLabs, it usually means your account, IP or request doesn't have permissions to confirm that action. So this can happen on the website, API requests, voice cloning, billing pages. So to fix that issue, let us first to log out and log back in. And to do that, you will need to go with the top right corner or the icon of the profile icon at the top right corner, and then just go with sign out and log back in with same account. And before logging in, I really want you to go and click on the taskbar with right click of your mouse, then go with the task manager, and after that just go with the browser that you are using, the ElevenLabs on, and go with end task, then just reopen the browser and sign back in with your account, then just try again. Okay, also, I do really advise you to disable the VPN or proxy, so ElevenLabs may block the VPNs, suspicious IP addresses, in certain regions. Okay, so just turn off the VPN apps and proxy settings and Opera built-in VPN if you are on Opera. Then just refresh the page, do a simple refresh from here. And if you are getting the access denied via the API, just make sure the API key is valid from the developers on the option that you can find on the products section on the left hand menu, and go with API keys. So here, make sure that the API key is valid and make sure you're using the correct headers. Confirm subscription is active from here, from the subscription or billing, and confirm that active just right here. Okay, and also verify you are not calling a feature your plan doesn't support, like voice cloning on free plan. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.